There are many species that are on the edge of extinction, usually due to humans, and many that may never recover. For this video, I have chosen 5 of the most critically endangered animals, according to WWF, and I will talk about each one and why they are so threatened. Here are the 5 most critically endangered animals. Number 1. The mountain gorilla. The mountain gorilla, a subspecies of the eastern gorilla, mostly lives in the Virunga Mountains, an extinct volcano range. This range lies between the countries of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Rwanda, and Uganda. Mountain gorillas are well adapted to life at high altitudes, with more fur than other gorillas, protecting them from the sometimes below freezing temperatures. This animal, however, is incredibly endangered, with an estimated 880 individuals remaining as of September 2015. This is due to humans moving into the animal's territory and forcing them to move up to even higher altitudes, where the conditions are dangerous. Gorillas that come into contact with humans can also get diseases that they are not immune to and have been known to die from the common cold. Mountain gorillas are also often caught in traps set for other animals by hunters. Fortunately, conservation efforts have increased the number of mountain gorillas from about 620 in 1989 to the current number of almost 900. Number 2. The Sumatran Tiger. This incredibly rare subspecies of tiger only lives on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia, and an estimated 400 individuals remain. Sumatran tigers are the smallest of the living tiger subspecies, measuring a maximum length of 255 meters long. Poaching tigers is strictly against the law in Sumatra, and in all of Asia. However, there is still high demand for tiger parts. Sumatran tigers are losing their habitat quickly due to illegal timber harvesting and clearing for agriculture and settlement. Although many efforts have been made to reduce the number of animals killed by poachers, this illegal hunting still continues on Sumatra and does not appear to have reduced at all since the 1990s. Another problem for Sumatran tigers is human interaction, as these animals are forced by habitat loss closer to settlements, which can result in both humans and tigers being killed. Number 3. Vakita are the rarest marine mammals in the world, with an estimated population of fewer than 100. These animals were a species of porpoise. Vakitas have dark rings around their eyes and dark coloration on their lips. Over half of the population of this animal have been killed in the last 3 years, mainly due to being caught and drowned in gill nets used by legal fishers in protected areas of sea. It is thought that 1 in every 5 vakitas are killed this way. These porpoises will likely be extinct by 2018 unless the Mexican government enforces a complete ban on gill net fishing, which a WWF is requesting. Number 4. The Amore Leopard. This rare subspecies of leopard lives in the far east of Russia and has adapted to be able to live in the temperate forests of the area. It is also called the Manchurian leopard or the Korean leopard and usually lives alone, although males have been known to help females raise their cubs for a while. The Amore leopard is threatened greatly by poaching, as hunters target it for its incredible spotted fur. The forests that these animals live in are easily accessed by poachers, as villagers and houses are built very close to them, meaning that people can hunt Amore leopards and their prey with little difficulty. There are not enough prey animals to support large populations of Amore leopards, but if restrictions are put on poaching, it is possible for the numbers to recover, which would in turn help Amore leopards. Fortunately, this animal's population has more than doubled in recent years, from only 30 individuals in 2007 to now over 60 due to successful conservation work. Number 5. The Jarvan Rhino. The Jarvan Rhino is the most threatened species of rhino, with only 60 animals surviving in Java in Indonesia. The Jarvan Rhino is gray in color and has a single horn, smaller than other rhino species. This animal used to live in much of southern Asia, but is now confined just to the western tip of Java in the Ujung Kulon National Park. Jarvan rhinos were made critically endangered, mainly by hunting during colonial times for their horn and as pests, but are also threatened by other things. Almost half of the national park that they live in has been taken over by orangutan, which is an invasive species that causes the rhinos to lose the plants they feed on. The park is also at risk from tsunamis and volcanic eruptions that can potentially wipe out the last of the Jarvan rhinos. As well as this, 4 individuals have died due to disease passed from cattle, and extremely low numbers of remaining animals mean that there is little genetic diversity, a huge problem if the species is to recover. Lockley, WWF, and others are developing a program to move some of the species to other location and diversifying the species and reducing the risk of distinct due to natural disasters and create a new population. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.